Eastside Elementary spent 20 years on wood mulch. This video is about how they got off it and why the decision that made it work happened 3 years before the rubber was poured. Every year, refill, rake, watch it scatter. Budget it again next spring. Wood mulch compresses over time, and then it disintegrates. It displaces from high traffic areas under swings, slide exits, you've seen it. Your fall zone coverage changes with the seasons. In winter, it freezes into a hard surface. Spring, you're back out there with a wheelbarrow topping it off. Principal knew poured rubber was a long-term answer. He'd seen it at other facilities. He knew the maintenance cycle would end, but the budget said not yet. So the question became, how do you plan for a surfacing you can't afford today? Here's what we did. During year one's equipment removal, we set the ground at the correct elevation for poured rubber. That was a full year before money even existed. Poured rubber sits at a different height than mulch. The substrate, the base layer, the drainage, everything changes. If the grade is wrong, when the rubber crew arrives, you're digging out, re-leveling, adjusting equipment, and anchoring. It's costly. It's rework you caused by not planning. And rework costs money that was supposed to go towards the next phase. So we planned for it. We set the elevation in year one, knowing rubber was coming in year three. When the funding finally came through, the crew pulled the mulch, the poured in place rubber on a surface that was already the correct grade. That is a clean transition. No rework, no surprises. That's what it looks like when someone is engineering for a future phase. We didn't just pick colors from a swatch card. We zoned the entire surfacing layout. Water zones, lava zones, color themes tied to the local river that runs through Edinburgh. The kids treat the surface like a game. They're playing before they even reach the equipment. That's design doing double duty. Those color zones aren't just visual. They control scene placement. They manage wear patterns around the highest traffic equipment. Under swings, slide exits, where kids land off climbers. The color breaks tell the installer where the stress points are, and the seams are engineered around them. Kids see a game. Surfacing is performing as engineered protection. That's the kind of detail that separates a surfacing installer from a playground partner.
We didn't have really a climbing area, and we call this our parkour area over this shoulder, where the kids can climb, use their upper body strength, and build that as they get older, and also keep them active.
The Glasslight Sound Climber went in during the same phase as the surfacing. That was intentional. The rubber was poured around the climber's footprint with the correct fall zone clearances already calculated, customized for the principal's exact vision, open sightlines every direction, metal construction rated for community use after hours, upper body challenge for the older students that the playground never had before. If your school is thinking about switching from mulch to poured rubber at any point in the next 3 years, planning can start now. It's not when the money arrives, it's now. Day one grade decision determines whether the transition is clean or expensive.